Do you actually understand how much power you're sitting on right now? And I don't mean in a cute, motivational, you're powerful bestie way. I mean in a this is literally how your reality operates way. You are the god of your reality, not symbolically, functionally. Nothing, absolutely nothing enters your 3D without first existing in your mind. Before it showed up as a problem, a delay, a heartbreak, a lag, it was just a thought you repeated. Your current reality, it was imagined before it was experienced. So here's the part people avoid admitting. You already trust your mind enough to manifest fear, loss, rejection, and chaos effortlessly. Worst case scenarios, you rehearse them. Being ignored, assumed. Money stress, normalized. Things never working out. Repeated until it felt factual. And reality said, okay, so tell me, why is it suddenly uncomfortable to use the same mechanism for favorable outcomes? Why was it easy to imagine disaster but delusional to imagine ease? Your 3D is literally your mind made visible. Before it manifested, it existed only in thought. So, what exactly is the problem with doing the same thing deliberately in your favor? Now, listen carefully. People have used the law of assumption to manifest things that looked nearly impossible. Not cute wins, not signs, I mean reality breaking outcomes. Someone went from years of no contact, blocked everywhere, ignored, deleted like they never existed, to their SP, showing up emotionally wrecked, saying, baby, I tried to move on, I tried everything, and I couldn't stop thinking about you. No chasing, no messaging, just a calm, repeated assumption they always come back. Someone assumed money was inevitable, while their bank account was screaming the opposite. Then, out of nowhere, a client prepaid, an old debt was forgiven, an opportunity landed that didn't even require an application. No grind, no qualification, just repetition. Someone assumed marriage was already done, while circumstances said impossible. Different cities, family resistance, no timeline. They didn't argue with the 3D, they didn't explain or convince, and suddenly, proposal, approval, timeline collapsed. Someone assumed I always survive, I always win during illness, during loss, during total collapse, and watched their body recover, their life reroute, their future upgrade, even when stats said otherwise. These people weren't special. They didn't believe harder. They didn't feel confident every single day. What they did was they repeated an assumption until reality adjusted. Because belief is emotional. Again, assumption is mechanical. The law of assumption does not ask, do you believe this deeply? It asks, is this the story you keep telling me? That's it. If belief was required, your fears would have never manifested. Yet, here you are, surrounded by the proof of your power. So stop underestimating yourself. Stop acting like reality is doing something to you. You are not reacting to life. Life is responding to you, through you, for you. The only question is, are you ruling consciously or accidentally? Because either way, reality is obeying you. This is the exact rant that I wished someone had given me when I was in my manifestation journey, because the results would have spoken otherwise. They would have been much more quicker. But you are lucky, you have me. So save this and listen to it every day whenever you doubt your power and whenever you think law of assumption is unreal. Also, follow me for no fluff, no BS manifestation content like this so that you get your results, because I make it simple and I get my success stories.